This is the Tolino Shine 4, the latest generation in the Shine series of devices from Tolino, the German company, and the latest release overall from the company itself. This is a high contrast 300 ppi 6-inch display with a quad-core processor. It is waterproof, it has front light and a smart light. And because this is the exact same thing as the Kobo Clara 2E in terms of the construction, yes, it is made with 85% recycled plastic as labeled on the back of the box and the front of the box. This actually opens from the bottom. It does not open from the top at all. It says hello nicely printed in there. You know, it really does make a difference when companies do small things like that. Pull tab, color coordination, things printed on the inside or the underside of the box itself. The cardstock is just very run-of-the-mill, but the actual tray itself is thick. It is quite nice. Enjoy reading. Yes, much like most Tolino devices in terms of the packaging, opens like a book. Sliding this out, you get the Tolino Shine 4. I'm not sure if that was intended. It probably isn't. It is so neatly folded at a 90-degree angle, it kind of looks like it should be intentional, but it probably just got stuck there during the packaging because it's multiple pages. It tells you how to use your device, where to push the power button, all that stuff, and your regulatory information and your warranty. You do get a warranty with this, so if you buy this through the EREADER store, you get a 1-year manufacturer's warranty. Let's put the device off to the side just for a second, right over here. Let's explore the rest of the box. We should have, oh wow, a neatly nestled away USB cable in the side there, and it should say Tolino on there. It does, in a nice kind of gunmetal gray right there. USB-C, very nice. Here is the Tolino itself. As we said at the top of this video, if you're skipping through it, yes, this is the exact same thing as the Kobo Clara 2E. They even use the exact same back. And this is the one with 85% recycled plastic, and it is not a flush screen and bezel, but it does have a 300 ppi resolution and pixel density, so it means that that is going to be a very good looking display. And because there's no stylus Wacom layer, there's no front piece of glass, there's no screen protector on top of that glass, you actually do get a very good experience. Power button is on the back right there. You get these nice little waves that go by on the back design. It is embossed with the Tolino logo, and it is still USB-C on the bottom there. Now the difference between this and the 2E, if I bring that in from off camera just for a second, is that the Tolino is made in China and the Kobo is made in Taiwan. Because they're using the exact same shells in every conceivable way with the USB placement, the tooling, everything is the exact same. I'm not entirely sure how that works because they're made in the same place, distributed by the exact same company, Kobo Rakuten. So that is a little bit not concerning, just it's questionable, because why would this be made in an entirely different country even though it's using the same plastics, the same moldings, the same assembly, etc. is a little bit of a mystery, but either way, this is everything that comes in the box with the brand new 2022 Tolino Shine 4. And if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them down below. And for now, this is GoodEReader.com.